Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Every time you connect to public Wi-Fi, you're trusting that network with your data. But what if someone is listening in? What if they can see everything you're doing? It's a scary thought, right? That's where ethical hacking comes in. By understanding how hackers operate, we can learn to protect ourselves. We can build stronger defenses and keep our information safe. Hackers have a secret weapon, Kali Linux. Imagine a toolbox filled with every gadget a tech whiz could dream of. That's Kali Linux for you. It's a special operating system designed specifically for cybersecurity professionals and yes, even hackers. Kali Linux comes preloaded with powerful tools. These tools can be used for good or for bad. In the right hands, they can help secure networks and find vulnerabilities. In the wrong hands, they can be used to break into Wi-Fi networks and steal information. Why do hackers love Kali Linux? It's simple, it makes their lives easier. With Kali Linux, they have everything they need in one place. Let's talk tools. In the world of Wi-Fi hacking, there are a few names that stand out due to their effectiveness and popularity. Aircrack-ng, Reaver, and Wifite are three of the most popular tools used for Wi-Fi hacking. These tools have become essential for both ethical hackers and malicious attackers. They're like the lockpicks and crowbars of the digital world. Each tool has its own unique capabilities and methods for breaking into wireless networks. Aircrack-ng is a master at cracking passwords. It's a suite of tools designed specifically for network auditing and penetration testing. It works by capturing data packets sent over the network. These packets contain encrypted information that, with enough data, can be analyzed to reveal the network's password. With enough data, it can crack the encryption key and reveal the password. This process can take some time depending on the strength of the encryption and the amount of data captured. Reaver is another powerful tool. Unlike Aircrack-ng, which relies on capturing data packets, Reaver targets a specific vulnerability found in many routers. It exploits a vulnerability in some routers to reveal the Wi-Fi password. This vulnerability is related to the WPS, Wi-Fi Protected Setup feature, which is intended to make it easier to connect devices to a network. Think of it as finding a backdoor into the network. By exploiting this weakness, Reaver can often reveal the password in a matter of hours. Wifite is like an automated hacking suite. It simplifies the process by combining the capabilities of Aircrack-ng and Reaver into a single tool. It combines the power of Aircrack-ng and Reaver, making it easier for hackers to target multiple networks. Wifite automates many of the steps involved in the hacking process, allowing even less experienced users to perform complex attacks with minimal effort. These tools, while powerful, also highlight the importance of securing your own network. Understanding how they work can help you better protect your Wi-Fi from potential intruders. Always ensure your router's firmware is up to date, disable WPS if you don't need it, and use strong, unique passwords for your network. By taking these steps, you can significantly reduce the risk of your network being compromised. So how does a hacker actually crack a Wi-Fi password? Let's break it down step by step. First, they need to choose their target. This involves identifying a Wi-Fi network that they want to infiltrate. Often, they'll look for networks with weak security protocols or those that are frequently used by many devices. They'll often use a tool to scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks and identify potential victims. Tools like Kismet or NetStumbler can help them gather information about the networks in the vicinity, including the signal strength and the type of encryption used. Once they've found a target, they need to capture data. This involves intercepting the data packets that are being transmitted between the router and the connected devices. They'll use a tool like Aircrack-ng to capture the data packets being sent over the network. Aircrack-ng is a powerful suite of tools that can be used to monitor and capture network traffic, making it a favorite among hackers. This data is essential for cracking the password. The more data packets they can capture, the better their chances of successfully decrypting the password. With enough data captured, the hacker can then launch an attack. This is where the real work begins, as they attempt to break the encryption and gain access to the network. This might involve using Aircrack-ng to crack the encryption key. The tool uses various algorithms to try and guess the password, which can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the complexity of the password. Alternatively, they might use Reaver to exploit a router vulnerability. Reaver is designed to crack Wi-Fi Protected Setup, WPS, pins, which can then be used to recover the WPA/WPA2 passphrase. If the attack is successful, the hacker gains access to the network. This means they can now connect to the Wi-Fi network and use it as if they were a legitimate user. They can then monitor traffic, steal data, and potentially gain access to sensitive information such as passwords, personal files, and financial details, or even launch further attacks. Once inside the network, they can use it as a base to launch attacks on other devices connected to the same network, spreading malware or conducting phishing attacks. It's a sobering thought, isn't it? The ease with which a determined hacker can infiltrate a Wi-Fi network highlights the importance of using strong, unique passwords and keeping your network security up to date. Here's the thing. Hacking into someone's Wi-Fi without permission is illegal. It doesn't matter if you're just testing their security or if curiosity got the better of you. It's a crime. Ethical hacking is different. Ethical hackers are the good guys. They use their skills to find and fix vulnerabilities, making networks more secure. They always have permission to test a network's security. They never break the law. The line between ethical hacking and illegal hacking is clear. If you're considering learning about hacking, make sure you understand the legal and ethical implications. Stay on the right side of the law. Protecting your digital castle. Tips for stronger Wi-Fi security. In today's digital age, securing your Wi-Fi network is as crucial as locking your front door. With cyber threats on the rise, it's essential to take proactive steps to safeguard your personal information and maintain your privacy. The good news is that you can protect yourself from Wi-Fi hacking. By implementing a few simple measures, you can significantly enhance the security of your home network and keep potential intruders at bay. It's all about taking the right precautions. These steps are not only easy to follow, but also highly effective in fortifying your digital defenses. First, make sure your Wi-Fi network is password protected. This is the most basic yet vital step in securing your network. And not just any password, a strong one. A weak password is like leaving your door slightly ajar, inviting unwanted guests. Use a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This combination makes it exponentially harder for hackers to crack your password. Second, keep your router's firmware up to date. Manufacturers regularly release updates to address security vulnerabilities and improve performance. Updates often include security patches that can fix vulnerabilities. Ignoring these updates is like neglecting to repair a broken lock on your door. Think of it like locking your doors and windows. Regular maintenance and updates are crucial for keeping your network secure. Finally, be careful about what networks you connect to, especially public Wi-Fi. Public networks are often less secure and can be a hotspot for cybercriminals. If you must use public Wi-Fi, consider using a VPN. A virtual private network creates a secure tunnel for your data, protecting it from prying eyes. A VPN encrypts your traffic, making it much harder for hackers to intercept your data. By following these tips, you can create a robust defense system for your Wi-Fi network, ensuring your digital castle remains secure. The importance of ethical hacking. Ethical hackers play a crucial role in today's digital world. They are the digital detectives who help keep our online lives secure. By thinking like hackers, they can identify and fix security flaws before the bad guys exploit them. Ethical hackers are in high demand. Companies and organizations hire them to test their systems and find vulnerabilities. This proactive approach to security helps protect sensitive data and prevent cyber attacks. Learning about ethical hacking can be a rewarding career path. If you're passionate about technology and security, ethical hacking could be the perfect fit for you. The future of Wi-Fi security. As technology evolves, so too will the methods of Wi-Fi hacking. Hackers are always looking for new ways to exploit vulnerabilities. This means staying ahead of the curve is crucial for maintaining robust Wi-Fi security. Emerging technologies like Wi-Fi 6 and WPA3 offer enhanced security features. However, no system is foolproof. As these technologies become more widespread, hackers will undoubtedly try to find new ways to breach them. The future of Wi-Fi security relies on a combination of advanced technology and user awareness. By staying informed about potential threats and taking appropriate precautions, we can create a safer online experience for everyone. Conclusion: knowledge is power, use it wisely. We've explored the world of Wi-Fi hacking, from the tools and techniques used to the ethical and legal implications. Knowledge is power. By understanding how hackers operate, we can better protect ourselves. Remember, hacking into someone's Wi-Fi without permission is a crime. If you're interested in learning about hacking, do it ethically and legally. Use your knowledge for good, not for harm. The digital world can be a dangerous place, but it doesn't have to be. By taking the right precautions and staying informed, we can all enjoy the benefits of Wi-Fi without compromising our security. Stay safe out there.